If you gave me $0 right now and told me to build a $10 million business, I wouldn't panic. I'd smile. Because money was never the hard part. Most people think they need capital to get rich. They don't. They need a system. And today, I'm giving you mine. Before we dive in, hit subscribe. Every week, I break down exactly how real people build real wealth. No fluff, no fake hype, just the strategy. Let's get into it. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Almost every self-made millionaire started broke. Not broke with a rich uncle, actually broke. What they had wasn't money. It was a process, a repeatable way of turning nothing into something over and over. If you understand that process, the 10 million isn't luck. It's math. Let's break down exactly how it works. Step 1. Sell a skill before you sell a product. With $0, your first asset is your time and your ability to solve a problem. Think about it. Copywriters, video editors, coders. None of them needed a warehouse or investors. They needed a laptop and a client. Your first move isn't building an empire. It's landing one paying customer. That's it. One client proves your idea works in the real world, not just in your head. Step 2. Reinvest everything, at least at the start. This is where most people fail before they even begin. They make their first $1,000 and buy a nicer phone. The people who actually get rich do the opposite. They take that money and put it straight back into growth, better tools, ads, outsourcing the tasks that eat their time. Every dollar becomes a soldier working for you. Your lifestyle upgrades come later. Growth comes first. Step 3. Build systems, not just income. This is the real difference between a $10,000 side hustle and a $10 million business. A side hustle depends on you personally showing up every day. A business runs without you. That means documenting your process, hiring or automating the repeatable parts, and shifting your role from worker to operator. The moment your business can make money while you sleep, you've stopped trading time for dollars. That's when real scale becomes possible. Now here's where most people go wrong. Mistake 1. Waiting for the perfect idea instead of starting with what they already have. Mistake 2. Trying to do everything alone instead of delegating early. And mistake 3, the biggest one, chasing quick money instead of building long-term value. Fast cash disappears. Systems compound. If you're optimizing for a quick win, you'll always stay small. So here's what to actually do, starting today. First, pick one skill you can offer right now, even if you're not an expert yet. Second, find one person willing to pay you for it, even a small amount. Third, take that first payment and reinvest it into learning or tools that help you serve the next client better and faster. That loop, skill, client, reinvest, repeat, is the exact engine behind almost every self-made fortune you've ever heard of. Let's recap. You don't need money to start. You need a skill, a client, and a system. Reinvest early. Build processes that don't depend on you. Avoid the traps of waiting, doing it all alone, and chasing fast cash. That's the blueprint. Simple, but not easy. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, how do I get rich? And start asking, how do I become valuable enough that people pay me to solve their problems? Money follows value. Every single time. $0 isn't a wall. It's just your starting line. What you do next is what separates the people who talk about $10 million from the ones who actually build it. Comment, question. If you had $0 today, what's the first skill you'd use to start building your business? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one.